Can y'all believe I made this dress? So cute.
I am literally that girl, like literally so freaking goated. Like I shock myself and surprise myself every single time at how talented I really am. Like girl, I'm really out here making whole outfits. Like be for real. If you're new here, I'm Sharnique and I make my own clothes sometimes. But no, y'all, I literally told myself like this time I really want to work on being more consistent at making outfits because I feel like I pull my sewing machine out like once a year, make a fly cute little outfit, and then I put it back up and y'all don't see another outfit until the next year. But this time that's going to change. I promise y'all I'm going to hold myself accountable and really start pushing out these projects because girl, I am sitting on way too much talent to just be letting these skills just go to waste. So I'm holding myself accountable and y'all are going to see way more fashion projects from me in 2025, so stay tuned. And it's so crazy because when I thought about pulling my sewing machine out, it was just a thought, and then I remember like a few days after me just thinking about it, I was on the phone with my parents, and my dad randomly asked me, when the last time you made an outfit? Like he literally randomly asked me, you know, when the last time I sold something or made an outfit. And I felt like right then and there that had to be confirmation from God telling me that yeah, you need to, it's time to pop back out. It's time to pull and dust that sewing machine off, and it's time to get back into creating Sharnique. So with that being said, welcome to my sewing series where I'm going to be giving you guys some cute outfits. I'm going to be making some things. I literally have so much fabric sitting in my closet from last year when I just went on a whole fabric shopping trip from Walmart, not Home Depot, Joann's. You know, I bought so much fabric, y'all, and I didn't do anything with it last year. So this year we're going to be creating some fun summer projects. I'm super excited, and this will also help me just really stay consistent because when you take a long break from stuff like this, you have to relearn every single thing. It takes a long time. You have to re-educate yourself, and it's just a lot that goes into it. So yeah, the goal is to just really stay consistent with it this time around because I know the more hands-on I am with making clothes, the faster I will get and the easier it will get for me. Y'all, I even had a serger machine. I sold it last year because it literally was sitting in my closet going to waste. And I'm not gonna lie, trying to learn how to use a serger machine versus a regular sewing machine, baby. So yeah, I might have to take me a class, hands-on one-on-one class to learn how to really use a serger machine. But regardless of the fact, it's really no excuses because I can still create with my sewing machine and still push out my projects because my goal is to really stay consistent with my fashion content. And I don't want to always have to spend money on buying things. Like, why do that when I can just create? God gave me the gift and the talent to be able to do this. So it's like, girl, this is 10 times better because not only are you pushing out your own projects, but you're just showing people that you're talented, you have a skill, you know how to do something, and you know how to create. So my goal this time is to really push out more sewing projects, y'all, and just really challenge myself into making the things that I actually want to buy, wear, get content in, whatever the case is. So this is the inspo that I originally went for. I found it on Pinterest and I decided we're going to use this blue and purple fabric, y'all. The outcome came out so gorgeous. Of course it was not perfect because I'm a little rusty, okay? It's been a year. Cut me some slack, okay? But it came out so bomb for my first time in a year hopping back into this. I'm really proud of myself and I'm just really ready to just challenge myself and step outside the box when it comes to not only my content but just the type of content that I put out and content that just really has way more purpose behind it. And this is really who I am, and I'm just really living out my childhood dreams right now because if you know, you know, I've always said how I've always had a passion for fashion. I've always wanted to make my own clothes, to be a fashion designer, to have just any type of career that deals with fashion, period. That is my lane. So this is me living out my inner child and making my inner child happy, and I want to keep doing more of that. I want to keep doing more things that really heals my inner child and just, you know, makes my inner child happy. So yeah, guys, welcome to my sewing series. I'm super excited. I have been on Pinterest getting so many ideas, just saving you know, saving outfit ideas that I would love to challenge myself and create. So I'm super excited to just be bringing these videos back to my channel. Now, I'm not gonna make no promises. I don't know how often y'all gonna see these videos, as far as in terms of every week, every 2 weeks, every month. I don't know, but just be on the lookout, because I promise y'all I am going to be coming back with the sewing videos. So yeah, I'm super excited. And oh my gosh, let me know down below in the comment section what y'all think of the dress. It came out super cute. Follow me on my Instagram. Go spam the pictures. Go show me some love. And yes, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think, what more videos you guys want to see. And if you're new here, I hope you are here to stay. So hit the subscribe button, join the family, like, comment, and subscribe, all those good things. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, and stay tuned for more, because baby, I'm just heating up. I'm heating up. This is a warning. Love y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Ciao.